Gravitational waves are not merely wrinkles in space, as often portrayed in traditional explanations. Instead, in energy filament theory, they are better described as ripples of tension in the energy sea, caused by the collision and merging of black holes. The conventional view often compares black hole mergers to two bowling balls crashing onto a rubber sheet, which deforms and sends out waves. These waves are then interpreted as gravitational waves. But according to energy filament theory, the fundamental structure of the universe is not a simple rubber sheet. It is an expansive, elastic, textured, and stretchable sea of energy. When two massive tension nodes collide in a black hole merger, they cause a sudden rupture in the texture of the energy sea, which then quickly reseals, much like two underwater currents colliding. This collision first tears the surface texture and then sends out shock waves that ripple through the energy fabric. To better understand this concept, imagine a visual analogy. Picture pressing two spoons into a thick, creamy substance and then quickly bringing them together. At the point of contact, the cream's texture will burst out in concentric waves. This phenomenon is not like water waves or the bouncy effect of a trampoline. Instead, it represents a forced restructuring of the underlying material, creating waves that spread outward. Similarly, gravitational waves are the structural ripples that emerge when the energy sea is disturbed by black hole mergers. In energy filament theory, the process of black hole mergers unfolds in three main stages. Step 1. Entanglement of tension fields. As the two black holes approach each other, their event horizons, essentially two stretched membranes, began to tug on each other. The energy sea between them becomes intensely stretched and twisted, distorting the fabric of spacetime. This is not just the result of gravitational attraction, as it is commonly thought. Rather, it is a battle between tension gradients, each vying for control over the shared space. Step 2. Collision of the soup cores. When the two black holes' cores draw closer, their energy filaments, constantly rolling and shifting, began to interfere and merge. This causes the surface of the energy sea to fall into a state of rhythmic chaos. This chaotic moment is the point when gravitational waves are released, marking the true birth of the waves. Step 3. Rebuilding the event horizon and the ripple effect. The event horizons of the two black holes combine to form a single new horizon. The energy sea's textures, which had been torn and stretched, rapidly reassemble. At this moment, the energy fabric releases a massive burst of tension waves that travel outward through space, generating gravitational waves that are detectable by our instruments. These gravitational waves are not simply tremors in space. They are the result of the energy sea's texture being altered by the black hole merger, and they propagate outward as a wave-like disturbance. The larger the black holes involved, the more intense the effect. The tighter the energy sea, the sharper and clearer the resulting ripples become. In the next episode, we'll explore an even more mind-bending concept. Can black holes create a new universe? Could black holes be the cosmic seeds of entirely new realities? Stay tuned, follow, and share new physics, clearing universes.